Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a immune boosting turmeric tea. Yes my friend, the immune boosting turmeric tea is going to help you to boost your immune system and help back to fight by any viruses which affected your body. Well, this is really a good remedy. Nowadays we have coronavirus, and that's to boost your immune system the only way to get rid of coronavirus. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a turmeric, well good turmeric tea using ginger, lemon and black pepper. Yes, my friends, today the recipe is the best way to stay healthy during the cold winter months and to help back fight any of the viruses, cold flu. Yes, my friends. So this tea is going to like a magic drink for you. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, leave your feedback, and I'll be get try to get back to your comments. Well, how to make turmeric tea is to the turmeric tea, even you tea, add 5 cups of water to a pot along with a thin slice of fresh ginger root and turmeric. Yes, my friend. Ginger have a good source of to fight back any viruses. Black pepper and turmeric is in source. So this tea is going to help you to boost your immune system. If you can't find fresh turmeric, use the powder in form. But I really insist you to have a good. Really, it's actually better to find grated turmeric, so it infuses in water very well, and it will leave the essence. Well, that's a good remedy. At least try to have it 2 times a day, and since you're going to have leave behind any of the viruses too. It's important to add a crack of fresh black pepper to a pot. It activates the turmeric, and add the peel of one lemon. Make sure you peel off white bitter parts, but somehow you don't like so bitter taste. But it's really good if you're about to actually to have a bitter part. Well, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yes, my friend, cayenne pepper is like getting rid of lemons from your body. Lemons are the viruses which already affects your body and your immune system. Try to have 2 times a day, and you will see the magic in your body. Well, you're going to have some supplements, but I recommended it to you. But instead of having any vitamin C tablets and all, try to use one of this tea and keep your family and yourself healthy. But it's very important to add fresh pepper to your pot. It's activated turmeric very well. So I hope you like my video. But if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave a valuable comments, and I'm trying to get back to you as soon as possible. So waiting next for my next video. Bye for now. Stay fit, stay home, stay healthy. Bye for now. Thank you very much.